So guys, we have 273 square meters of pure luxury overlooking the Rive in an unparalleled location. From its entrance, there's a large corridor of chessboard tiles, 2 huge bathrooms, 3 very generous double bedrooms, one of which has an ensuite bathroom and a super exclusive walk-in wardrobe. And then there's the living area. Living area is something like 12 meters by 5, overlooking the sea. There's a design kitchen, and all of this beauty is overlooking the Gulf, to where your eye gets lost between sky and water. I mean, think about the marvelous sunsets, the weather which changes, the clouds which kick in, summer thunderstorms. I mean, this is an ever-evolving masterpiece of beauty. We have 2 areas which are the most exclusive in Trieste. One is the Costiera and the other one is this stretch of Rive. And here you go, slapped right in front of your face, you could have all you could wish for. If you're looking for a luxury home in Trieste, I guess we're your guys. We're specialized in hunting down beauties of this magnitude and bringing them to the market. We do have many pocket listings. Not all that is on sale is also online, so get in touch, sales@triestevillas.com. I am Martino. Thank you so much.